So in Kubernetes, services decide how your app is exposed. Let's look at the three main methods: ClusterIP, NodePort, and Ingress. ClusterIP, so this leads nowhere. It is internal only, great for pod-to-pod communication, but invisible to the outside world. Think of it like an office intercom. So pod can chat, but no one outside can dial in. So here is a cluster IP diagram. So notice how all the arrows stays inside the cluster box. So cluster IP creates an internal service that pods can use to talk to each other. So it listens on a port like 80 and forwards traffic to the target port inside the pods like 8080, 8080. But there is no arrow going outside. So this service is not accessible from the internet. Now NodePort. So this door opens, but only if you know the secret port number. So it exposes your app on a static port across all the nodes. So you can reach it via 30080, but it is not the most elegant solution. So now look at the NodePort diagram. See the cloud labeled internet? So traffic comes in through a fixed port like 30080 on every node. So the node port service then forward that traffic to the pods inside the cluster. So this means you can reach your app externally using the node IP colon the node port. So it works, but it's a bit like a clunky since you need the node IP and the port number. Finally, Ingress. So this is the smart lobby. So one domain, multiple paths. Service A slash service B, all routed cleanly. So it is perfect for managing the traffic to multiple services under one host name, like myapp.example.com. So here's the internal internet traffic flows into an ingress controller. Above it, you see a domain name like myapp.example.com. So the controller uses rules to route request from service A goes to service A and slash service B goes to service B. So this makes it easy to expose multiple services under one clean domain instead of juggling ports.
To summarize, Cluster IP is for internal only communication. NodePort exposes your app on a static port, and Ingress gives you smart domain based routing. So each method serves a different purpose. Choose based on how you want your service to be accessed. Keep following HR Sigma path for more videos.